The secret to restaurant quality crispy potatoes isn't the potato, it's what you serve underneath them. If you love easy recipes with big flavor, subscribe and grab the full recipe from the description. Place the potatoes into a large pot of salted cold water. Bring them to a boil and cook until they're very tender. Place the potatoes onto a large baking sheet. Using the bottom of a heavy glass, gently press down on each potato until it flattens but stays intact. Season with salt and pepper. Roast for 30 to 40 minutes until deeply golden brown and perfectly crispy. While the potatoes are roasting, let's make the whipped feta. Add block feta in brine, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, the zest of 1 lemon, garlic, and a little salt and pepper. Blend until completely smooth, creamy, and fluffy. Here's where this recipe becomes something special. Instead of serving the dip on the side, we're turning it into the foundation of the entire dish. Spread the whipped feta across a large serving platter. If you're still watching, tell me in the comments what's your favorite potato recipe. And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes every week.